My name is Stephen Carter. I am a junior tech for Bridge Cable. I live in Clifton Heights now. I was born in West Philadelphia. Network cabling is running cable from one to the other, whether that being internet, phone, cameras, for fiber, coax, a little bit of everything. You know what I mean? Like running the cable, jacking, 45s, cameras, just about everything. I would probably want to learn more about like fiber. I think fiber is very interesting. As when I, was doing a training about it, it's a very interesting thing to learn. My favorite here would be jacking, 45s, and running the cable would be one of those. I'm usually with my family. I play the video games. It's usually what I like to do when I'm not like at work. I'm a big Madden fan, 2K, and I only play with the Eagles. It's just who I play with. Ain't nobody else. Well, running a cable will be the first important thing. If you can't do it, or if it doesn't look like crap, it means you don't really care. So I would think running cable would be the most important thing. Not knowing, going into something and not knowing exactly what you gotta do, and not knowing if you gotta use a lift or you're just not knowing what you're walking into. I'm a big fan of the movie Friday. And Practical Jokers is probably my favorite TV show. Don't be afraid to try something new. That's how I got here. Just trying something new. And I actually like it. I actually love it. So yeah. I like to talk. Dawn. I like shorts. Go to sleep early. TV shows. If you ask my girlfriend, she would say order out, but yeah, I'm gonna go order out. Not a fan. See you guys later. Goodbye.